this is the back veranda and it's totally white. We should have been out here. Oh, Courtney's shoes. Oh no. I'll bring them in, put them on here, dry them out. Okay. Wow, look at that. Now that looks beautiful. That looks more like snow. Still hailing.